Hi everyone, this is Rock from Carlife-mall. Today we introduce you to Android 7 and now flashed Android 8. The rear is Android 6. Android screen for benz E-Class ntg4. Always 2010 to 2012 a year. And this is the accessory check. This is the GPS antenna. This is the power cable. And you can check this is LVDS cable. This is the signal LVDS signal stereo box. This side connect to OEM LVDS cable connect here, and this side connect to now LVDS cable, and then this side connect to a screen behind of ours. And this is the frame, the left hand drive E-Class frame. And this is the 3G and 4G antenna too, which we ship you to. And this is small speaker, and this is the AMI cable. Okay. And we will turn on the screen on the platform to show you. And many people ask what we test. Before we ship, you can check. This is the behind here. This we will test. This is the antenna, the GPS antenna. So you can check what we test. First is GPS antenna. Many people say, "Oh, my car has no signal." I can tell you, this is impossible. And many people send back GPS antenna with discarded. I still can say you this is impossible because this is placed in the accessories and has a box protected, so impossible. And what we will do next, the second is this. Many people say that your device cannot read my SIM card. I can tell you that we test before we ship the goods, and you can check later when it will has the signal. And you please note, our 4G signal only support B1, B3, B7, B8, and B39, B40, B41. Ask your SIM card company service if the signal is this. If yes, sure work. And this is and always we place the GPS and the GPS map IGO and the CarPlay app inside. Okay, this is what we will check. Okay, we'll be turn on 1 minute. So now we turn on the platform. This is the starting logo. You can check how the warning words. This is the logo. You can choose this to Benz or AMG. If you are not climate, you can ask from me the software to upgrade. And you can check. This is the car in this side. So this is the main menu. You can check. We first show you. This CarPlay no works. Click this is minimum climate required. If you click this, screen sleep. Click again, go back. Okay, so first we do the same. Always install the map, find apps, and you can check one thing. Here, this is 3G signal. Did you see it? So all screen we tested. So 3G and 4G sure screen will support. Only you need to do is to check your cell phone SIM card service. So this is the question. This is the question. Test 1. The second, signal. Click apps. Find GPS test. You can check here. You can check. This is now no fix because we just turned on it, and we wait for some minutes and then check. First we go back. And we install the IGO first. Click here, find a SD card extender, find IGO, install it. We have always install the maps from climates. No matter host climate or end use climate. And then go back, click the button, and there is a minute. This is the CarPlay. Install it. Click down is okay. Here you can check. I prepare the cell phone, prepare the CarPlay box. Okay. We test it later, and then now we go back to check the test. You can check 1 to 2 minutes signal will. So don't say that GPS has a signal because we test it. We know sure our device. If your signal is not work not working well, what you need to do is to find a correct place, a place there where you can get the cheapest signal. So that's my suggestions. Okay. Okay, if this side has the label deleted, it's okay. Click here, delete all, and before we ship, we will check the video if it works. If we click works, if your video writes when we drive is forbidden, and then you need to go to the apps, find setting, find a video, where's the video? Video, and you can check no video in motion. Click off, it's okay. So that's it. And now we click navigation. For this device, you need to set the pace. Click one time, don't reboot, go back, click again, and then you can find that iGo is installed. And if you take the memory card, the GPS card we installed, you need to reinstall the iGo and then do this again. So remember, many people when do this and said to me that your iGo missed some folder. I can tell you this is the reason. Okay. So we have. So next okay. If your car is ntg4, here ntg setup, long press, general setting. They always have 3 options. You can check. Here you can choose the aftermarket or original market, the camera. Some others, this place can check different. Check. Okay. No more setting it. Go back. And this one. Okay. This. You can check ntg4 and photocax ntg5. If your car has aux, you need to choose this. If not, you need to activate this. And the car resolution is always used when your original car is black. When your car is originally black, what you need to do is to check the installation if it's correct. Installation to get the power for the silver box, and then turn on the engine and the radio. Then change here to test. And the vehicle type here, this refers to this. Okay, click again. Okay, these two no usage for all cars except S. Okay, this is setting here, and this place, if you always we will ask not commit. If your joystick not works, check here if this has the KF, CF, AF. If not, then change the A and B cable. For the details, check our menu. Okay, that's the setting. Last, we will just check the CarPlay. Where's CarPlay? We install in apps, and you can check AutoKit. Okay, installation is easy. I will do in 1 minute. Okay, check. It's connected. This USB LVDS has a USB port connected to the CarPlay box, and this side is the cell phone USB cable, and connect to the phone. And then click AutoKit. You can check what will happen. You can check connection. And many people say that this is too loose. Always make this appear and disappear. I think I can tell you this is impossible. You can check. Even we do this, not loose. So check your side if anything happens. Okay? And you can give a call to this. Okay, you can check, no problems. Okay, so that's all for the device instruction. If you have any question or any queries, welcome for your question and orders.